What if you could generate unlimited, high-quality AI images with no restrictions, no credits, and no hidden costs? Introducing MyVideo AI. With this free online AI video generator, you can create stunning videos from text or images. Click the link in the description below and create your free account. Today, when you log in, you'll see your video AI options on the menu to the left: text to video, image to video, create AI video effects, sound generation, and lip sync. You can also create images from text to image, or even transform one image into another. Let's try out the text to image feature together first, so you can see how it works. For example, let's type "soldiers in war" and then I click create. You can see in just 2 seconds, I got my image, and it's 100% realistic. I can even turn this image into a video or set it as a reference to generate more images similar to this one. And as you can see, MyVideo offers the Google Nano Banana for free AI image creation, and it's unlimited use. MyVideo isn't just about video, it's also a complete creative suite for AI images and audio, designed for creators, artists, and anyone who wants to visualize their ideas instantly. MyVideo offers more than a dozen advanced image models, including Flux and Google Nano Banana. You can choose between creative tools like the AI image generator, AI video generator, AI video effects, and AI voice and sound generator. Each model specializes in different creative styles, from realistic portraits to stylized digital art. And the most amazing thing, like we mentioned earlier, is that the Google Nano Banana model is available for unlimited free image generation. You can see I can go to text to image and type in another example, like superhero biting, choose the Nano Banana option, and create. And you can see I got another image. Now, let's say, for example, I want to set this as a reference. And now I want to recreate based on that image. Click Create and see the result. And you can see I got a new image. Now, I want to create a video from this image. I click Generate Video and get a full AI video based on it. Here is the result. Using one image, I made this video. Let's see the result. And that's the power I've seen in my video. You can combine AI images with video tools for complete storytelling. And this is great for content creators, marketers, or anyone who needs visuals on demand. Turn your imagination into reality with unlimited free AI image generation and MyVideo.ai. Create anything you want, as much as you want, for free. Click the link down in the description. Don't forget to also click the like and subscribe button, and leave any questions down in the comments. We'll answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.